In this question, we need to find the missing length x. Now we look at this right angle triangle, we have the opposite length, so opposite the angle. We have the adjacent to the angle as well. So let's bring in those three trigonometric ratios. We've got sine, cosine, and tangent. And we can see that with the tangent one, we have the opposite and we have the adjacent. So the rule we're going to use is the tangent ratio. Let's write that out. We have tangent of the angle, which is 62, is equal to opposite, and opposite the angle, we've got 10. That's over the adjacent, which is x. So now what we need to do is to rearrange this equation here to find x. So x is going to be equal to 10 divided by tangent of 62. And now we can bring in the calculator. We'll enter in a fraction. We've got 10. That's divided by the tangent of 62. And we press enter. We get an answer of 5.317, etc. So to three significant figures, we would have that x is equal to 5.32, and that is to three significant figures. If you found this video useful and would like to learn more, then head across to my website where I have a full course on trigonometry for beginners. You will find that questions are added on a regular basis to the course, so once you've purchased it, you will have access to all new questions. You'll find a link to the course in the description of this video.